Hello students, welcome to anandsironlinedotcom. So today our topic is percent of mixtures, and we are doing this topic from SAT. So let us suppose that we have two mixtures. One is 20% alcohol and it is 100 mLs. Another mixture is 30% alcohol and it is say 200 ml. Now when I mix it together, what happens? Total solution becomes 100 plus 200, 300 ml. We need to find the percentage of alcohol in the resultant. So what we can use, here we can simply write, say 20% of 100, that is alcohol in the first jar, plus 30% of alcohol in the second jar is equal to X percent alcohol in the combined 300, right? Now we can simplify and find the value of X. See, so simple it is. We can simply cancel 100 and 100. This 100 and 100 we get 30 is equal to 3x. So 50 equal to 3x. It means x equals to 50 by 3, that is 16.67%. So from here we can simply develop a formula that x percent of A plus y percent of B is equal to z percent of the total A plus B. Now applying this formula, we can do any mixture question in your SAT, right? Let us do a few questions. How many gallons of water must be added to 40 gallons of 10% alcohol solution to produce 8% alcohol solution? See, how many gallons of water? Let us suppose you get X gallons of water. So X gallons of water, we have 0% alcohol in it, plus 40 gallons of water, we have 10% alcohol in it, is equal to 8% of the resultant, X plus 40, right? What I have used, X percent of A plus 5% of B equal to Z percent of A plus B. Here the first part will be cancelled out because there is 0%. So we can simply cancel this out. And here we need to solve these two. So it is 400 by 100 is equal to 8x plus 320 by 100, right? Cancel out 100 from both sides. 400 minus 320 is 80 equals to 8x. It simply means x equal to 10. So answer is 10. Let us go to question number 2. How many gallons of 20% salt solution must be added to 10 gallons of 50% salt solution to produce 30% salt solution? So how many gallons of 20% salt solution? Let us suppose X gallons. So the formula becomes 20% of X plus 50% of 10 is equal to 30% of X plus 10. Now to simplify this, we first of all cancel all the hundreds in the denominator. We get 20x plus 500 is equal to 30x plus 300. So 500 minus 300 is 200 and this becomes 10x. Therefore x becomes 20, right? So D is the right answer. Let us go to question number 3. For how many quarts of alcohol must be added? So X quarts of alcohol must be added to 10 quart of 25% alcohol solution to produce 40% alcohol solution. Now observe carefully. Here he is saying how many quarts of alcohol. It means it is pure alcohol, so we will take 100% of X plus 25% of 10, right? Because we have 10 quarts of 25% alcohol to produce 40% of the resultant. What is resultant? X plus 10. So here again cancelling out 100 in the denominator, we get 100x plus 250 equals to 40x plus 400. So here 60x comes out to be 150. So x is 150 by 60, which is 2.5 quarts. So answer is 2.5 quarts. Okay. Next question. The last one. How many gallons of acid, let us suppose X gallons of acid is added to G gallons of K% acid solution to bring it up to M% of the solution. So in X we have 100% acid, then in G we have K% acid, and the resultant is M% of X plus G. We need to find X. So again simplifying it, just cancelling 100 from the base, and now we will isolate X. It is 100x minus mx is equal to mg minus kg. So it is G common in the right hand side, and X common in the left hand side. So X comes out to be G times of M minus K over 100 minus M. Right? So this is the right answer. So again, if we revisit the formula, what was the formula saying? Formula was saying if we have 3 compositions of acids, then X% of the first plus Y% of the second is equal to Z% of the third, or that is the resultant. So using this formula, we can crack any question in SAT when it comes to your percent of the mixture. Right? Hope you have understood this video. Do like it, share it, and subscribe it. Keep on watching my next videos for more such information. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.